Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can easily try Midjourney to create your first digital AI art. So first thing you need to do is go to Google and type midjourney.com, press enter, and then this beautiful web page will load which says Midjourney, and then you have to go right here and click sign in, and then this will appear. This is actually Discord. This is another app. It is very useful app. In order to use Midjourney, you have to use it through Discord. So first thing, you have to create your Discord account, or if you have already, then just log in. I don't have, so I click on register, and you have to register to your Discord account. So you have to type in your email, then pick your username and your password, your date of birth, and then you have to check this box. I have read and agreed to Discord terms of service and privacy policy. Click on continue then. Then confirm that you are human by clicking this and select hot dogs or whatever it may ask you to do. Click on verify. And then you have to authorize Midjourney bot to access to your Discord account. So click on authorize. And then as you can see, you can't authorize it without being your Discord account verified. So click on here, go to your Gmail, go to your Gmail account that you have signed into your Discord. And then when you are here, simply find email which says verify email address for Discord. Click on that. And here, click on verify email. And now when your email is verified, as you can see, email verified, go to continue to Discord, go back to Midjourney, click on dismiss, sign in with Discord again, and then click on authorize. And as you can see, now it will open Midjourney. So now this is how you create your Midjourney account. You can go over here to community showcase, and you can see arts from other creators. So go to home, and now I will show you how to create your own art. First thing you need to do is go to home and then click on this join the Discord to start creating. Now Midjourney will send you an invite to this big server with 1 million online users. So you have to click on accept invite and then confirm you are human again. So click all the croissants, for example, click on verify, accept the invite, and if everything will be okay, it will open Discord. And as you can see, now you can go over to this new buys, for example, this one. And if you want to create your own image, you have to type in /imagine. Now press space, and it will open this prompt, as you can see. And you can easily type what you want Midjourney to create for you. So let's say I want to create realistic.
Beautiful.
And then when you want to select your image aspect ratio, you have to click on --AR. And that means that you are doing this aspect ratio. And for example, I will do 4.8. So it's 4 points wide, 8 points tall, and that's a portrait photo. And then when you're done, you just simply click enter. And then as you can see, it will prompt you to accept their terms of service to continue using Midjourney. So you have to click on accept TOS. And when it's accepted, then simply go ahead and type your comment again. And then press enter. So as you can see, this may sometimes happen. Midjourney has extreme demand, and they can't provide a free trial right now. So you have to subscribe to them. So you have to click on here, subscribe, open subscription page, and then yep. And then as you can see, you have to subscribe to their plan. So there's a basic plan, $8 a month, and it's built yearly. And as you can see, you have limited generation, 200 a month, general commercial terms, accept to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. Then you have standard plan, which is $24 a month, and it's also built yearly. And you have these pros. Then you have pro plan, and it's $48 a month, which is pretty expensive to me. I would recommend to go with this $24, or if you are just starting out, this $8 a month will be enough for you. So you have to click on subscribe, or you can easily switch to monthly billing. And as you can see, this will be $10 a month for this basic plan. So if you only want to start and just try it out, you have to always go with this basic plan, just $10 a month. Click on subscribe and then insert your billing information. And when you are done, just click down here on subscribe. And as you can see, payment successful, subscription activated. So click on close. And now it will take you to this page where you can manage your subscription. So you can edit billing, view your invoices, and also buy more fast hours. So first thing you want to do when you are subscribed, go over to your Discord back and then type your command again. Then press enter. As you can see, it will tell you waiting to start. And this is the percentage that it is completed. So you have to wait for this to load. And as you can see already, I can see some details, some really beautiful details. It's on 62% right now. Sometimes it may happen, as you can see, that my image just disappeared. But don't worry, if you are in these newcomers rooms, there are still new images appearing and your image is just moving upwards. As you can see, when I scroll up, I will find my image easy as that. So now, as you can see, it has generated quite a good 4 images and you have now option to upscale it and increase the resolution. These are only drafts, so you can choose one. So let's say I like really this one, but this one is pretty good as well. So let's select this third one and you have here U1, U2, U3, U4, and that means upscale. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to click on U4 if you want this one. Click on that and it will work on upscaling this image. So just scroll down until you find your job. As you can see, it's waiting to start. And now guys, it's done. As you can see, when I click on this is upscale version. Damn, it's pretty good, right? And this is how far AI has come. It's crazy, guys. Okay, I will close it. And as you can see, you can make variations like upscale redo. We can click on beta upscale redo. And as you can see, when I click on it, it is upscaled. It looks pretty damn good. So this is how you try Midjourney in your Discord. Thank you all for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and check out more tutorials on Midjourney in this channel's playlist on Midjourney. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.